Before you spend your money on yet another eye health supplement, you need to hear this. Because EverVision is making some very big promises that sound almost too good to be true. In this EverVision Honest Review for 2025, I looked closely at what EverVision claims to do, including improving vision clarity, reducing eye strain from screens, and supporting long-term eye health, and then compared those claims with what actually happens in real use. EverVision is marketed as a natural eye health supplement available through tryevervision.com. And the branding suggests it is designed for people struggling with blurry vision, tired eyes, or heavy screen exposure. I went through the full process, from checking the official website and ingredient list to understanding how the supplement is supposed to work inside the body, and then observe the results over time. Some ingredients included in EverVision are commonly found in eye supplements, and are often linked to antioxidant support and eye comfort. But that does not automatically mean dramatic vision improvement or guaranteed results. In practice, the results were not instant, and there was no sudden transformation or miracle level change, which is important to understand if you're expecting perfect vision from a pill. At the same time, there were no extreme negative reactions observed, which places EverVision in a neutral position rather than clearly good or clearly bad. Pricing, marketing language, and refund policies also matter when judging whether tryevervision.com is legit or a potential scam. And while the website appears professionally designed, consumers should still be cautious about exaggerated claims and always manage expectations. If you are asking whether EverVision is fake or real in 2025, the honest answer is that it sits somewhere in the middle, not a magic cure, but not an obvious scam either. Watch carefully, do your own research, and never rely solely on supplements for serious eye conditions.